Jochiw thieth e kaonti ma Machakos nyoyudo barupe mag medo gi rang'iny mag tich ndalo machuok tok romo gi gavana mar kaonti no Wavinya Ndeti. Juma mokalo jochiw thieth noromo kod gavana ma Machakos Wavinya Ndeti manosingo iko barupe mag medo laktache go rang'iny mag tich kaluwore kod winjruok manobetie. E nyasi manobagi e kaonti no, lakteche 422 mane pok omed rang'iny mag tich kuom thuolo malach noyudo barupe maggi. Jakom mar riwruok mar laktache KMPDU Charles Okumu nonyiso jochiw thieth duto mondo mi koro dogie tich.
Promotion of 422 workers in the department, and I want to also thank the union officials who gave us a lot of support, because when we agreed to discuss and deal with the matter, they gave us time. Therefore, I want to thank them. But I want to also assure them and the workers in the entire county that we are very positive about what they are doing for Machakos County. And I want to assure them on behalf of the Public Service Board that we shall do what is supposed to be done for every other worker in the county, because the governor is very positive about the same.
We, the undersigned here, hereby withdraw the strike notice issued on 26 June 2023 following completion of the promotion exercise and receipt of 422 letters of promotion. The exercise has been completed by the Department of Health and the County Public Service Board. In this regard, all healthcare workers are informed that the strike notice has been withdrawn with immediate effect.
Gikanyo yie mona akaw thuolo mar kaw yweyo mokwongo